So let's begin. First we have to find all the black edges. For you it will be the white edges. So I'll start with this one, black and orange. So the other black and orange piece is over here. So first I have to bring this both opposite to each other. So I will lift this up. So now they both are diagonally opposite to each other, and now we have to follow the same algorithm which I showed in my original video, which is you move this, you lift this up, you turn this, you replace it with a garbage piece. Like this is a garbage piece, as it is not a perfect edge. Even this is a garbage piece, and even this is a garbage piece. So I'll take this down, and we have to match the centers again. So I will move this. So we are done with one. We move on to the second. We will solve this one, the red and the black one. So first we have to find the other red and black. So one red and black edge is here and the other one is over here. So first I will bring this edge down so that they come in the same plane, but we want them diagonally opposite to each other, and this is not diagonally opposite to each other. So first we have to take this piece up over here. So for that we have to follow the simple algorithm which I showed you in my original tutorial, which is this. I'm going slow so that you understand. So if you notice, now these two are diagonally opposite to each other, and you follow the same algorithm which I showed you before to match the edges. The edges are matched. Now you lift this up. Now if you notice, I cannot bring this edge down. I cannot turn this twice and bring this edge down because this is not a garbage piece. Garbage piece is this and this. So I'll choose this one, and then I will bring this down, and then I will match the centers. So we are done with two edges. We move on to the third one. So we will solve this edge, which is black and blue. So the other black and blue is over here on the top. So first I will bring this down. So now both are diagonally opposite to each other. So we will follow the algorithm. You move this, you lift this up, you look for garbage pieces. One is this and the other one is this. This is not a garbage piece, this is the perfect edge. So I take the garbage piece in the first row, and then I lift them down, and then I match the centers. Now we move on to the green and black edge. One is over here, the other one is over here. So I want this to come in this row. So first I will turn this so that it comes in the fourth row, and then I will lift this down. Now again, if you notice, both have come opposite to each other, but we want them diagonally opposite to each other. So I will follow the algorithm, which is so now if you notice, green and black, they are diagonally opposite to each other, and we will match them. Now we will find a garbage piece. This is a garbage piece and this is a garbage piece. This is not a garbage piece. So I took this garbage piece and I will lift this down, and then I will match the centers. So we are done with all four black edges. One is this, other one is this, third one is this, and the fourth one is this. For you it will be the white edges. Now let's move on to this green or orange. So let's find this piece. So the other green and orange is over here, luckily. So we will match them. We will lift this up. And now if you notice, there is only one garbage piece. The other three are matched. This is the one which we did now. So we have only one option to bring this garbage piece in that row, and then we will lift this down, and then we will match the centers. Now let's solve this one, the green and the red. This is green and the red. Now if you notice, there are no garbage pieces on the top, so we cannot move this, we cannot match this here and move this up. So we will flip the cube so that we can find garbage pieces on the other side, and here there are 3 garbage pieces, so we can solve it over here. So I will move this, I will lift this up, there are 3 garbage pieces, so I will match them with any one of them. Then I will lift this down and then I will match the centers. And now we go for the next edge, which is this blue and red. So the other blue and red is over here behind. So first we will bring this blue and edge over here. So I will just turn this twice, so they both have come in the same place and diagonally opposite to each other. Now again we have to check if there are any garbage pieces on the top, and yes, there is one garbage piece, so we can solve this over here. So I'll move this, and remember, if this garbage piece is over here, then you have to move it to any of these 3 places, because if assuming that this garbage piece was here and when I lift this up, the garbage piece disappears, it goes down, so we do not want that. So the garbage piece should be either over here, here or here. So I'm keeping it over here, and then I lift this up, I replace it with the garbage piece, and then I lift this down, and then I match the centers. So we are almost done. Now let's solve the blue and the orange edge. So the other blue and orange edge is over here. So first we will bring this edge in this row so that we can match them. So I'll just move this so that it comes in the same row. I'll lift this down. Now again, they both are opposite to each other and we want them diagonally opposite to each other. So we will follow the algorithm. So now they are diagonally opposite to each other, and then we will check for any garbage piece on top. Yeah, this is a garbage piece. First I told you to move this garbage piece to any of these 3 edges, and then I will move this, I will lift this up, I will turn this, and I will bring the garbage piece down, and then I will match this. And now we are left with only 2 of the edge pieces to match, and for which the algorithm I have shown in my original tutorial. So check that tutorial to know about the last 2 edges, how to solve them, and thanks for watching.